Hey there, gardening group. I'm so happy you're on this page, and I hope I can give you a little bit of information about how to snip back your pansies so that they will continue to flower. So I have some pansies and violas here on our cart, and I'm going to show you how we clip them. So here I have a pansy. This one isn't looking so hot, so we're going to snip it back. So you can see kind of here where it's coming all the way down at the base. So I'm going to actually pinch that off as far as I can go and just snip it with my fingers. Just want to take off right here. So even though I would actually take off the old pansy blossom, the spent bloom, I really have now this whole stem that the plant has to work really hard to dry this out and to get rid of it before it can even work on any energy towards making more blossoms. So these pansies were out in the wind, so it was kind of a colder wind, so this is what happened. See a little bit of wind damage there, and definitely some more wind damage there. But we'll just take them off, and then pretty soon, even though I have nice green plants like this, and they look kind of a little naked because they don't have any blooms, it's not going to take them very long to send up new shoots. So another reason for doing this is that the plant's job is to make a blossom, then to make seed, and then to re-sow that seed to make more plants. So it's kind of a tricky thing here. As long as we keep taking off the old spent blooms, then the plant has to continue to make more. So we're kind of keeping it going along so it never gets to actually generate the seed for the next plants. So that's how you can continue to have some of these early spring and sometimes early summer plants to continue to blossom. So that's how we do it. It's a little time consuming, but I'm a big fan of every time I go out to water or tend to my flowers, I just snip them a little bit at a time. Sometimes if I let it go too long, then I'll just go through and I'll clean everything up so that the whole plant can start fresh.